Lately I've had a lot of computer work to do, which means sitting down a lot. Right now I'm finishing the editing of the Ensign second book, and then I've got website stuff and accounts and admin, and I don't like sitting down so much. So I have this treadmill here that one of my sponsors gave to me, Kosuke-san. So I've had this for a few years and I use it when it's rainy or snowing, or sometimes at night time if I want to walk. But I noticed that it's got these rails here, so I'm gonna build a walking desk. So the plan is just to build a plank to go across here. That way I can put my laptop or whatever I'm working on top of that and get my groove on. Multitasking. I've got this bit of wood here that I've had for a while. It's treated in every. The little bump that's there, so it's kind of a little bit on a lean, but when I stand up here I don't mind the lean so much, because it means that my stuff can kind of tilt towards me and I can see it a little better. I'll tell her she wants to help. No, you gotta get off. Come on, get off. The whole point was not to spend money. So this is what it looks like, this board, and it just sits on top of the treadmill like that. So it sits on top like so, and it's got these locking mechanisms either side, and also underneath it has these to stop the board from sliding forward.